Okay, I have to say I love kitchen hacks, especially when I see something that completely like blows my mind, which happened recently. Have you guys seen this video? It went viral a couple of weeks ago. A woman peeling a head of garlic in 25 seconds. Isn't it mesmerizing? For anyone wondering what constitutes viral status, this video has been viewed 23.5 million times and shared more than 147,000 times. So it's everybody scratching their heads, including myself. And Chrissy Teigen, who's a foodie. You heard his voice. It's Jason Scrobar who's gonna help me. Oh, by the way, that's Chrissy Teigen saying, what? Can this actually work? So, Jason.
Our video is gonna be watched 20 million times too.
Do you think?
Yeah, I do.
Well, if we do this correctly or incorrectly.
Okay.
Let's figure this out. But I should tell everybody, I am armed. We're both armed.
As am I.
So just to be safe, we've got George.
Where is he?
Standing by. He's there with the first aid kit, right, George? Have you ever used a first aid kit before? No, so this is gonna go really well, really fast.
For both of us.
Okay, George, just stand by, okay? Maybe work on figuring out how to open it. So that's what you should do while we try to figure out how to open this.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna put 25 seconds on the clock.
This is a real competition.
It actually is.
Okay, okay.
I just have to think for a second about my,
Your
my strategy.
technique.
Okay, so let's put 25 seconds on the, on the clock, okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna try to do what she did and
Yeah.
then I guess use the bowl of something, okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1,
Okay.
go. Oh,
Shoot. Did you get one?
no. I'm just pretending I did. So I think you gotta go like this. Well, oh, no. No, why, what? Okay, mine's just like, wait, let me try this way.
I'm kind of.
This is a disaster.
Yeah, this is not.
Is yours
happening.
working?
No.
How much time do we have? Oh,
You get one?
what? Talk about timing.
Game over.
I got 1 out of like 17.
I got a quarter.
You did? Okay,
Yeah.
so that's what was happening with me. Look at that, but I got 1.
That's great.
Okay, high five.
See, you're the
George, you nailed it.
I did.
You did.
No, and you guys also did.
Thank
except
you.
minus Lindsey.
That's right. Okay, wait, I won. What are you talking about? Okay, so George, still stand by because the segment is not over and there's more knives to be had here. So let's talk about some garlic hacks, Jason.
Okay, so see, I would probably never do that again. But the way, and we were talking earlier, the
Yeah.
way I do it at home is basically just take the knife and
Yeah.
smash it.
Yeah.
And then it's like really easy to just come
It
out.
is, and I also cut off the ends before I smash.
Right. Oh, see, there you go.
Right.
Teaching the expert.
Yeah, sure. Another way to
and
do
then
it?
I wanted to talk about, like, so garlic, there's different forms of mildness. So if you want something really strong in flavor, you're gonna grate it. So the smaller the
really?
garlic size
Okay.
in your recipe, the stronger the flavor of garlic. So if you just want something a little milder, you're just gonna slice it.
I did not know
So
that.
slicing it or throwing it in whole,
Yeah.
you're gonna have less garlic flavor. And then and talking about less garlic flavor, if you wanna roast it and you want something really sweet, you're gonna take your garlic, you're gonna chop off the top, you're gonna put it on some aluminum foil, add a little bit of olive oil,
Olive oil.
a little bit of salt,
Love it.
okay? And then make it into a little, you put this in the oven at
Yeah.
400 degrees.
For how long?
For 40 minutes.
Right.
And this is what you get.
Oh, I have to show you the other
Right.
hack is you can do this.
Just buy it already peeled.
That's right. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down, just for,
Or,
you know.
And I'm gonna give that, this is my gift to you.
Oh, it is? Okay, thank you. I will take that. So that's what it turns out
So this
as.
is what it turns out after you've roasted it. And I wish you guys could smell this at home because
smells
it's so
amazing.
sweet.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna make a quick dip. Basically, what's so great about roasted garlic is after it's roasted, all you do is you just, look at that,
Oh, man.
squish it out.
Beautiful.
I mean, it's
So then you take that, and then what's in here?
So that's some cream cheese.
Okay.
Okay. But basically, you take this, and before you put it into that, you want to just smash it into a paste.
That's so
okay.
good.
So you're gonna add that garlic paste
Yeah.
to the cream cheese, and then you're gonna add some sour cream.
And then can I put some of this in?
Yeah.
Not all, right?
All of it.
What?
Green
Okay,
onion.
yeah.
A little bit of dill.
And then all the salt.
No, not all the salt.
Just kidding, I know that one. Okay, a little splash,
And then
though.
you want to give a pinch of salt and then a squeeze of lemon. And then if
Okay.
you want to give that a mix,
I do.
right here.
Okay, right. The other thing. Okay, the spatula. Georgie, you should get in here, too. Come here. Just smell this. How does it smell?
Smells so good.
And this is like a
So
good, so good.
springtime roasted garlic dip,
And great for outside, right?
right?
Do you want to have a little taste? George, you're everywhere.
Yeah, I
okay.
would love a taste.
Here,
I would
look,
love
I'm going
a
to do
taste.
this for you. You want to just eat it all?
You're gonna feed him.
This
Perfect.
is adorable. What do you think?
Real good, real good.
Great for outside. Good hacks. George, thanks for being a part of this as always. And Jason, so good.
Thank you.
And we'll have to work on our technique, or maybe just not
Yeah,
use
I
it.
think we'll just ignore it.
Should we just ignore it and use your
And
hacks?
just use this, yeah.
I think that's probably a good idea. Obviously, recipes on our website, anytimeyourmorning.ca. And now we've got to eat, so we're going to go to break. Yes?
Yes.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.